Now, if you're looking to decorate your house with some inexpensive Dollar Tree finds, then this is the video for you. My name is Jamie. I'm the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. All right, everyone, and for our first project, I'm going to take 9 of these Dollar Tree wood planks. I'm also going to grab 2 of these larger rectangular wood planks. I grabbed all of these in the Crafter Square section, and by the way, we are now going to go ahead and remove these stickers. Now, for the most part, these stickers do come off fairly easy from these Crafter Square wood pieces. However, these pieces tend to have one side that is a little rougher than the other, and the price tag shows it. So just go ahead and take your heat gun, heat that up just a little bit, and you can peel all of those stickers off really, really easily. So now that I've got all of those price stickers out, we are going to start with our brad nailer. Now, this nailer is fantastic. I actually picked this up on Amazon, and it's kind of like a high-powered staple gun, I guess is the best way to use it. Mine uses up to 1.5-inch brad nails, and I really, really do like it, and it is perfect for doing projects like this. Now, these wood pieces are a little thin, so you certainly want to take your time, and you want to line all of those pieces up, and you want to make sure that you've got your brad nailer in the right place. As you can see, I've already removed a couple brad nails from some previous attempts to get this all together. Now, once you've got your 2 side pieces and your bottom done, then you're going to do the left and the right side of your crate. And once again, you're just going to take those pieces of wood, you're going to set it between the 2 kind of end pieces that you've got there, and you are going to start using that brad nailer, and you are going to be building yourself a crate. Now, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, this is a perfect time for you to do that. Please consider subscribing and also give me a like. That helps my channel out so much, and I definitely appreciate it. Now I'm going to take my crate outside, and we're going to spray paint it with my flat black Rust-Oleum paint. I wanted this crate to have just a very kind of cool industrial look. I think this would be amazing if you painted it white, but I love the way it turned out for my book storage. Now, for this next DIY, we're going to be using these frames from Dollar Tree, and I thought that these frames would be absolutely perfect for this artwork that I picked up when I was at a local craft festival. In Hapeville, Georgia, we have something called a free art festival, and it happens, I think, once a month, and I was able to get these pieces for absolutely free. I loved them, and I thought that they would absolutely be perfect in my bathroom because they've got those hints of blue and black and all of the other colors that I have in my bathroom, and these free-floating frames are going to be perfect. By the way, check out Leonvano Interiors. I'm going to put her Instagram on the screen. Definitely check her out. She's got some amazing art pieces, and again, these were absolutely free, so I am doing this whole setup for $2.50. All you're going to do is just replace the artwork in the middle. I'm using that piece of paper that was in the middle there as my guide, and I'm just going to set my art pieces in there. We're going to go ahead and snap everything back in, and boom, you've got a very cool, very unique, extremely personalized piece of artwork that is set up for my bathroom, and I absolutely love these. While in the home decor section at Dollar Tree, I stumbled upon these very cool kind of macrame hangers. They kind of looked incomplete, and I thought that they were actually pretty fun, and I figured I could definitely do something with them. I grabbed an extra wood plank while I was at Dollar Tree, and I'm so glad that I did because I'm just going to cut this in half to where it's going to give me 2 pieces. One I will use to kind of help drill holes in my piece of wood. That way I don't go through my work surface like I have done already at least once or twice. You can kind of see the holes there. And after drilling through there, I don't know what happened to the footage, I went ahead and fed my macrame cording or my twine cording through each one of those holes, giving me 2 pieces of twine or 2 pieces of cording per hole. So there's a total of 8 pieces. Hopefully that makes sense. Now I'm going to take some wood beads, and all I'm going to do is just try and thread them onto that thread or that string or that macrame cording. Now, what I do is I take some hot glue and I just kind of bind those edges together, almost twisting it, creating kind of like a needle effect. That way I can now thread my bead a lot easier. Now, once I've done this on all 4 pieces of those strings, I have got a very cool shelf, and it's being held on by those beads. Now all I have to do is just add some twine, or add some, I don't know why I said twine, add my favorite knickknack, and you've got the cutest shelf ever. All right, you guys, for this next DIY, believe it or not, I did not want these to be blue. I found these very cool pen and pencil holders, and I thought that they would be great if they were actually joined together. That way it would look a little more solid, and it would be something that I could use on my desk. So I'm going to take some super glue, and I'm actually going to just add this in the kind of on the lip area there, because we're going to want to glue these together, and they're not exactly flat surfaces. Now, they took them outside, spray painted them with 2 coats of my Rust-Oleum flat matte black paint, and boom, you've got the cutest little office caddy. It can hold all kinds of tape and knickknacks, and definitely lots of pens and pencils. All of these supplies are from Dollar Tree, and they hold really, really perfectly. They're a great size. Everything is nice and deep, and I really am happy with the way that these turned out. And yes, for once, I did something that was not in blue. If you really dig around Dollar Tree, you can find all kinds of things like these mirrors that are already done for you. You could certainly decorate these up and do different things with them, but I just simply hung them on the wall in my living room. I really love the way that these look. I love the colors. I love the shape. I love the sizes. But Dollar Tree also has a plus section, and I found these 2 items in my plus section. This pineapple was only $3, and I thought that it would be absolutely perfect as a good pop of color. And then I loved this globe. It is heavy. It was only $3 as well, and I simply put these in my craft room. Now, for the pineapple, I'm just going to put it on my bookshelf next to my picture of Mr. Otis that my sister painted. I absolutely love this so much. And then for that globe, it's super versatile. I've got it next to my old camera up on the bookshelf again, and I love the way this turned out as well. Now, the other items that I snagged at Dollar Tree that I'm actually not going to be doing any DIYs to are these wall pocket hanging planters. Now, I thought that these were fantastic, and they do have a hole on the back that you can hang these up. They're made out of ceramic. They have this gorgeous glossy black color, and they're going to be perfect for succulents. All right, you guys, that is it. That is my Dollar Tree haul. I don't know about you, but I am absolutely obsessed with this pineapple and also this orb up here. I cannot believe that I found them at Dollar Tree in the plus section, and they were only $3 each. Let me know in the comments below which ones were your favorite. I think for sure those are definitely mine. Also, if you're one of my long-term subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate it. And of course, I look forward to bringing you all more content very soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.